Tesla Model S. For kids, two companies have worked together to create this toy car. Radio Flyer and Tesla, the manufacturer, claims that this is their first and only car, which uses a unique lithium-ion battery for transportation. It provides the model with a large power reserve and allows it to quickly recharge. Unlike other similar cars, which needs about 8 hours to charge up. It says the Model S takes only 3 hours for full charge. It is noteworthy that the charging connector is in the same place as the fuel filler cap of an ordinary car, and as the process looks like real refueling. It's worth noting that the childish Tesla Model S is similar to the adult car. And it's even equipped with a special protective cover. The only difference, of course, is the size. In the luggage compartment of the car is a button that shifts the gears. And therefore the model is suitable even for the smallest of riders, as well as for older kids. On the first gear the car accelerates 25 kilometers an hour, and the second almost 10 kilometers per hour. You can buy this car for your kid for $600. Mercedes-Benz Kid. The lineup of children electric vehicle from the company Mercedes-Benz has a fairly large number of models. Among them there are S63 and the V8 that cost about $360. The road control makes pastime fun, not only for children, but also for adults. Parents can ride their kids in the car, controlling its movements, or allowing the child to ride it independently. At the same time to monitor them and show their safety. Such cars are designed for children from 2 to 5 years old. The remarkable features include operable doors, trunk, and a built-in MP3 player and MP3 connector. The control is simple and intuitive even for the smallest of kids. Mini McLaren P1. This car was modeled after the famous hybrid McLaren P1. This electric car is designed for children up to 6 years of age. Despite its modest size, it's equipped with the latest technology. There is air conditioning, an audio system, even a functioning backlight. The Mini McLaren can accelerate up to 5 kilometers per hour in just 2 seconds. Apart from its size, this compact model differs from the current McLaren car for its capacity and cost. The toys is designed only for one passenger, and has a very high price compared to its prototype. The model was marketed in fall of 2016, and you can buy a Mini McLaren P1 for or about $500. PowerWheels F150. This vehicle is intended for young car enthusiasts aged 3 to 7 years old. On the outside, the PowerWheels F150 replicate every feature of the SUV Ford F150, making it feel more like a true off-roader. Unlike many other toy electric vehicles, the PowerWheels F150 can ride safely and without shaking on damp grass, hard and uneven surfaces. To give a child the feeling of being behind the wheel of a real car, an FM radio is installed into the little dashboard. And there is an MP3 connector, and 2 children can operate the car at the same time. The automobile is equipped with parental control, which is used to set the speed and manage the brakes, and it has 2 working modes. The first of which produces a speed of up to 4 kilometers per hour, and the second of which develops a speed of up to 8 kilometers per hour. The price is $370. Mini Volkswagen Beetle Herbie. This children's car was inspired by the famous sports detail Herbie. This is an exact copy of the Volkswagen Beetle. It's equipped with an impressive engine, with a capacity of 6.5 horsepower. Thanks to it, the car is able to reach speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour. Among other interesting features, the car has brakes and shock absorbers on each wheel. In other words, despite its modest size and comparison with other cars, the mini Volkswagen Beetle Herbie is able to perform its main standard function, the transport of passengers. Two children can be accommodated inside, or a child within an adult. It's worth noting that the creator doesn't recommend letting children less than 6 years old to travel without the supervision of the adult. This car is able to give a young car lover an invaluable driving experience because it has brakes, lights and rear view mirrors. In short, absolutely everything you need to feel like you are driving a real car. The creator has made it possible that this car looks as mature as similar to the real car. Mini truck. The world of toy electric cars pleases buyers, not only with passenger cars. This is a real toy truck, one of the cars on a line designed for 2 children. Some especially large models have a roomy enough cabin where it can even fit an adult. The toy model is equipped with a horn, so that the child can get used to the role of the driver and feel at the wheel of a real truck. Most of these models are produced in Brazil and South America.